bag of tomatoes and pepper and okra.
Let's sharpen our knife.
Hi guys, what's up? Hope you guys are okay. Hope you guys are good. So guys, welcome to a new vlog. So after we went to Birmingham Market, that's like over a week ago if I'm correct, or even more than. That day we went, I packed away so many things, I sorted out so many things, I arranged a lot of things that day. Was it that day or the next day? I think that day. Excuse me. So the things I have left in my fridge are the bag of tomatoes and pepper and okra. These are the things I've not had time to sort, and in today's video I'll be sorting this. So my plans for the tomato is to blend some and dice some, and then the okra I'm going to be dicing them, and the pepper I will dice some and blend some, then put them in Ziploc or in a plate, something like that, and then store them in the freezer. So that's what we are going to be doing for this part of this vlog. Okay, so guys, come on with me, let's get all these things ready.
Let's sharpen our knife for the dicing and cutting that I'm about to do. Sharp. Guys, I finished dicing the pepper, the ones I will just like dice the ones. So in here I have some tomatoes here. I will be slicing this up now with this pepper here. I will slice them up and put it in the oven with some onions for some time. When it has cooked, then I will blend it. Yeah. More like making a tomato paste for stew, for pasta, for jollof rice, anything at all. I'll just grab and cook. So for the blended ones, I will also be adding some of these. This is garlic, this is ginger, some bell pepper. As well, I'll be adding these to the blended ones. So I'll be dicing the tomatoes. So far this bowl is filled up already and I've still got more. So guys, I finished dicing the okra. You guys, I'm tired. I'm super exhausted. So guys, I'm super tired. I'm exhausted. This is currently 1:30. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see? 1:30. And I started prepping all this the moment I got back from taking the kids to school. That was around past 9ish. Yeah, so this is 1:30. That means 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 over 4 hours. So I finished with the okra. I want to pack the okra now. The tomato is all ready. Yeah, so I'll be blending the tomato and that's it. So it's just to pack the okra and blend the tomato. You guys, everywhere is a proper mess and I have an unboxing. An item was delivered. I'll do that later. Oh, let's pack the okra. Yeah, so hope you're enjoying this vlog so far. Please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay, yeah, let's pack the okra. So guys, this is an empty pot and I want to boil the tomatoes water in this pot. So that's the remaining tomatoes water. I feel I might have need for it sometime, so let me just boil it and store it as well. So guys, this is the next day after the whole food prep and stuff. Yeah, so I didn't get the time to pack these tomatoes. Also, it was so hot, so I couldn't do that. I allowed it to cool down. So this is the next morning. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. It's all cooled down, so I want to pack them in this Ziploc bag and then put it in my freezer as well. So let's do this. I will leave some out because I'll be using some to cook stew much later today. So yeah, let's pack the ones we can. So my fridge is rammed. This is okra, blended pepper, chopped tomatoes, chopped pepper, onions. Can you guys see? Onions, chopped tomatoes. Then here is the tomato paste. You guys, can you guys see tomato paste? Right.